Hello everyone, Sunny is here, the founder of Royal Language Academy. It's a pleasure to be joining you again after a while. I hope you are doing great and everything goes super duper good for you. Welcome back to the second video from Present Continuous series. Today, we're going to have a quick review of what we have learned in previous sessions. It means it is about the structure of the sentence in present continuous form. And then we move on and learn how to make a sentence negative form. I mean negative sentences. And finally, we learn how to make a question. Okay, so stay tuned and let's go. Alright guys, if you remember a previous session, we learned how to make a sentence in present continuous. So the first element we needed was a subject, like I, you, he, she, it, we, they, Mary, James, Jackson. And then we need to be verb. So like am, is, and are. And then I needed a verb with ing form. True? So, for example, he is having a shower. So I need a subject like he plus a verb, to be, is, and then I need the verb have plus ing, having, and then an object. What? A shower. So he's having a shower. And then we learned where exactly we can use present continuous. I gave you 5 different uses of present continuous in previous session or previous video. If you haven't watched it, please go back and watch that. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it and learn a lot. Here we're going to have a quick review of how to make a sentence like positive sentence in present continuous. As I told you, we need subject, is are plus verb with ing. And then we move on, okay, and learn how to make a negative sentence. In order to make a negative sentence in present continuous, we just add one not, right, after subject and to be verb. For example, he is having a shower. He is not having a shower. I am not. He is not. She is not. We are not. They are not. Mary is not, right? So it is so simple, we add just one not to that, right? For example, I am not, you are not, we are not, they are not, he is not, she is not. And then let's take a look at this part, how to make a question present continuous. So it's so easy. We need to just change the position of to be verb with the subject. I need to just bring it here. For example, he's having a shower. And the question is he having a shower? So that's the question. Here, for example, I am will be changed to am I? You are will be changed to are you? We are will be changed to are we? They are will be changed to are they? He is will be changed to is he? And she is will be changed to is she? So you can see it here. Am I? Am I bothering you? Or are you? Are you watching this movie? Or are we? Are we eating healthy food? Or are they? Are they playing football? Or is he? Is he listening to music? Is she? Is she talking to her friend? Or is it? Is it barking? I mean the dog. So, as you can see here, so we learned how to make a positive sentence. Like I need subject plus to be verb and then verb with ing. A negative sentence, we just need to add one not, right? I am, I'm not. And then we have got the question form. We change the position of helping verb with the subject. Like I am will be changed to am I, right? So that's all about this part. Let's watch a video to learn this part much better.
Hey, where you going?
Nowhere.
You're sweating. Relax. Take a deep breath.
He is giving information to the FBI.
The playful calf is now drinking 500 litres of milk a day.
The Prime Minister is expecting you.
Yeah, I'm trying not to lose my head.
What are you doing?
My job.
I'm thinking. I'm looking for someone.
Are you willing to do that, my young friend?
General, what exactly is going on here?
There are only 40 Amur leopards left in the wild, and that number is falling.
Everything is melting.
She's sleeping.
I'm looking for my wife.
I'm making you another seashell necklace.
No. I'm not getting into any van. I've seen Silence of the Lambs.
Wait, I see you're sitting there alone. Do you want to come and sit down?
Why is this happening to me? What are they waiting for?
This man's chasing me.
What are we looking at?
I don't know.
I'm waiting for him.
I'm looking for someone to share in an adventure.
Where are you going?
To the ladies' room.
Who are you working for?
Are you trying to say that you're in love with me?
I'm going into the next office.
He's trying to say something, Dad.
I'm telling you the truth.
Deserts cover 1/3 of the land's surface, and they're growing bigger every year.
Your hand is staining my window.
Sorry, man.
Oh,
sorry. Where are you going?
Taking a cab. I'm going home.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a transporter.
I'm listening.
All right, guys. Here I have got around 10 examples, and we're going to learn how to use present continuous in different contexts. The first example is this. Number one, let's go out now. So it is about now, present, right? Let's go out now. It is not raining anymore. So as I told you, I need the subject, it, plus am is are is, plus not. This is the negative form. I just need to add one not. So let's go out now. It is not raining anymore. Or this one. Hi Jane, are you enjoying the party? So this is a question form. As I told you, in order to make a question, we need to change the position of to be verb with the subject. Like you are will be changed to are you. So, hi Jane, are you enjoying the party? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Next one, what's all that noise? What is going on? So, if you have got a WH question like what, where, when, how long, how far, how many, who, whom. So we need to just bring at the beginning of the sentence, and then I need to bring the to be verb like what is, and then the rest. What is going on? Number 4, at first I didn't like my job, but I am beginning to enjoy it now. So, as I told you, for a positive sentence, we need subject like I, Then we need a to be verb, am, and then we need a verb with ing. I am beginning to enjoy it now. So it is about present. Number 5, the water is boiling. Look, the water is my subject, then I need to be verb, is, and finally verb with ing. Can you turn it off? Number 6, you're always playing computer games. This is one of the common uses of present continuous. If you remember, like when you do an action repetitively, so we can use present continuous. Use subject plus are, you are always playing computer games. So you are and verb with ing, playing. Number 7, this is a question form. As I told you, I need to change the position of helping verb with the subject. So are they going out tonight? So are they and then verb with ing. Are they going out tonight? Number 8, are you coming to class? Again, it's a question form. So as I told you, we changed the position of subject with the helping verb, right? So are you coming to class? No, I'm not coming. Or yes, I'm coming. Number 9, as I told you, for WH question like what, where, when, how long, how far, how many, who. So we need to bring it the beginning of the sentence, like what, and then we need the helping verb, what are you, because I have you, that's why I bring you. Sorry, I bring are here. So what are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? And the last one, again, we have got a WH question, who. So I need to bring it the beginning of the sentence, and then I need a helping verb, and finally the rest of sentence. So who is she talking to? She's talking to her mom. She's talking to her friend. Okay, that's all about different examples in present continuous form.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button over there, right? If you haven't done it already. So take a lot of care, and I will see you in another video very soon. Take a lot of care. Cheers. Ciao.
Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream.